What's up, everyone? This Ike. Today we're going to be talking about how you can start making some extra money right now without quitting your current job. So this series right here is about side hustles. I'm going to drop some real life side hustles so you can start with almost no upfront costs. And they work even if you've got a busy schedule, okay? Because a lot of us got a busy schedule. These are hustles I've seen work in real life. Some I've done myself and others I've helped people start. So let's dive in. Why side hustles? Well, side hustles matter. Listen, I'm a big believer that your main job should fund your dreams, not limit them. I've learned this years ago in the car business. Some months were great and some months not so much. If you've been in the car business, you know this. When you have an extra stream of income, slow months don't scare you. Whether you're in car sales like me, or working a 9 to 5, or running your own small business, we've got to find ways to create extra income, okay? That's how you take control of your financial future and stop living paycheck to paycheck. When your side hustle starts to grow, you get options. Work less, travel more, know y'all like to travel, or invest back into your future, okay? Side hustle number 1, gig driving with a twist, okay? Everyone knows about Uber, Lyft, and DoorDash. But here's a twist. Instead of putting the miles on your car, you can rent one from a company that caters to gig workers. That way, you're making money without destroying your own vehicle's value. Okay, that's one of the biggest problems. When I first got into the rental side of the business, I saw drivers putting 1,000 miles a week on their cars, on their vehicles, and then wondering why they needed all these major repairs. Renting a car built for gig drivers protects your personal vehicle and keeps your hustle running longer. Okay? Plus, some rental setups include maintenance and insurance, which is very good. So all you do is drive and collect your earnings. Imagine driving Friday night and Saturday night, then a lunch shift on Sunday, and paying your car rental for the week by Sunday afternoon. So the rest of the week is pure profit. That's one. Side hustle number 2, flipping cars or small items if you know how to spot a good deal, especially in cars, furniture, and electronics. Flipping can be huge. I've done this. I remember finding a Toyota Corolla once that just needed a deep cleaning and some touch-up paint. I paid a few hundred for the cleanup, and I sold for over 1,000 more than I bought it for. Start small, maybe one car or a couple of items from Facebook Marketplace. The key is buy low, fix or improve it a little bit, and then resell it for more. If you're not into cars, this works with sneakers. I've done that with sneakers, tools, even used electronics. Just clean them up, make them look sharp, put them on eBay, resell them for a profit, or even Poshmark. I've done it all. That's about building momentum. And the more you do it, the faster you get. Because believe me, I was slow in the beginning. I got faster. Side hustle number 3, turn your skills into a service. If you're good at something like detailing cars, fixing electronics, social media marketing, you can start a small weekend business around it. Even if you charge just $50 to $100 a job, a few clients a week can add up fast.